If you want to use your Beats as a wired headphone on your iPhone 7 or later, you'll either need the lightning adapter that came with the iPhone or a lightning auxiliary cable. But there is an advantage to using the lightning adapter because it allows you to use the mic and retain playback controls from your Beats cable, but this adapter is really easy to lose. However, I recently got this lightning auxiliary cable from Kimwood that I'm really excited about. This is a 3-foot braided cable with a lightning plug on one end and a 3.5mm plug on the other. And using this with Beats headphones is great because it plugs right in with a perfect fit, and I can plug it into my phone and listen to music and watch videos or whatever. The only thing with this cable is that it doesn't have built-in microphone or playback controls. I just mainly want to use this to plug my headphones in quickly, and I usually control my music from my phone. These are Solo 2s, but this cable will work with any Beats headphones with a removable cable. So if you're looking for a lightning auxiliary cable that will work with your iPhone 7 or later, then look into this Kimwood Lightning cable. I think you'll really like it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, The Render Queue, so you won't miss any of my weekly videos.